Hello everyone, this is Ud again, and in this video I want to show you how not to lose data, incoming data, within the ESP-01 module, because as you can see, I'm speaking about this module. It's got only eight pins, as you can see, but only practically two of them are used. One for receive, one for transfer, and this module is completely missing other pins for serial communication, like the pins controlling hardware flow of data. So this module is unable to control data flow on a hardware level. So I was very desperate about it. I was afraid that Spectrum will lose data. But this is not just about a Spectrum, this is about, this video is general, I'm generally speaking how not to lose data. So, but recently I discovered how not to lose data even if this module is unable to do hardware control of data flow. So we will use, I recommend to study manual, we will use 80 commands. If the module is unable to control data on hardware level, then the TCP protocol will help. As you can see, this is the open manual, and these are the three particular 80 commands that will help us to control incoming data from the module. So let's have a look. This is the, again, ZX Spectrum with a module fitted in, and this is the terminal. I prepared something for you. It's called receive mode. Now we are in receive mode 0. It means that the data will flow without any control, the incoming data. So as you can see, I have prepared some TCP connection to Google, and let's have a look what will happen if the receive mode is 0. It means data will flow without control. Okay, now we are connected. Let's send some data to the server and the server will reply. Now you will see I've asked server for some data, and now you will see how the server will return the data. So now let's see how the server will return data. And you see, I have nothing. I don't have any option to stop the data. Now it's been closed, you see, closed. Now we'll try another way. We'll switch to receive mode 1, which is passive. Now it will be a completely different story. Oh, I forgot a plus. Oh, sorry for that. Okay, we are in receive mode 1. Let's connect to Google again. Come on. Oh. This will be a very long video. We're in? Right, we're in. Okay, and now I will ask the same way. I will ask the server the same way as before to send me some data. 6. And now you will see the difference. So the BIF, I enter it, and the server will send data. And this is what happens if we have got passive receive mode. The TCP server will just, the TCP stack will just allow the data to come into the module, and then we can fetch it. We can pick it up from the module with the command like that. Now you will see, server. This command will inform us how many data is stored in the module, you see. And now we can take the data from the module as we like. Like 100 byte portion, you see. And there should be less data left in the module now. Sorry. You see, here was 1712, we fetched 100, and 1612 is left. And in such a way we don't lose data at all. Over and over again, 100 data, 100 bytes, 100 bytes, 100 bytes. Let's see how many is left. Okay. The maximum data you can pick up is 2 kilobytes, not more, which is a shame. You see, we are asking for 100 bytes in each time in this example, and the module will send it to us, and we will not lose a single byte. So this is the way how to handle it. And let's wait for the last portion. This was the last portion, you see, 12 bytes. I asked for 100, but there were only 12 left. So that's all the mystery with this module. So if you want not to lose data, use the passive receive mode. Thanks for attention.